to show you how I do it. So what you want to do is figure out what size of the workbench that you need in your shop. Okay? I'm going to have one that's going to be 8 foot by 10 foot across. It's going to start about here. It's going to work its way down and go all the way across to over here. The materials you're going to need for this project is 2x4s and plywood. That is it. Pretty simple. The 2x4s will be the structure, the plywood obviously will be the tops, the shelves, etc. Okay, I'm going to cut this down to size and we'll start building. Nice level line at 41 inches. That was the height I chose for this workbench, so we made a mark at that. And what we're going to do is we're going to lift this up into place, screw it to the wall, and go from there. Let's start. I've cut it to the length needed. I've drilled 4 pocket holes on either end. Now we're going to just take that board, place it in here, and screw it in. Next up, we're going to cut the shelves on the plywood. They're all 2 feet wide, so we will do that. Okay. Rocket's going to do it. So now that you've got them notched out, just simply drop it into place. And give her a few screws, and that's done. Pretty good workbench. Spent $100 on materials for the 2x4s and the plywood, and made a pretty awesome custom cornered bench. So I'm gonna add stuff to this in the future, make it bigger, better, that sort of thing, and tune in to see more. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, all that good stuff. We'll see you next time.